ZetaFisc has a complete HR suite you can add to your account, managing your people from leave and loans to attendance and payslips. Let us add it. We open the module store. In the module store, we choose the HR package. Here is everything the HR package gives you: staff biodata, leave management, staff loans, attendance, payslips, and an employee self-service portal. Unlike the free seat on manufacturing, HR is priced per user. You pay for one seat for each member of staff who will use it. Everyone who will use HR needs their own seat, and unlike manufacturing, HR gives no free seat, not even to the administrator. We have our administrator plus 3 staff, so we set the number of users to 4. For users, at 5,000 Naira each per month. We click subscribe now. ZetaFisc shows the prorated amount. The cost is adjusted to the days left in your current subscription period, so you only pay for the time you actually use. Then you choose how to pay. You can pay instantly by card through Flutterwave, or by bank transfer through Monify, whichever you prefer. You complete the payment with your chosen gateway, and once it is confirmed, ZetaFisc activates the module straight away. Payment confirmed. The HR package is now active on our account. We sign in afresh to load it. A paid module is not usable until each person is given one of the seats we bought. Importantly, HR does not hand the administrator a seat automatically. We must assign every seat ourselves. We go back to the module store. We open the HR package. It now shows as active, owned by us. Because we own it, the module page now lets us manage our seats. We click Manage Seats. This is my modules, listing what we own. Against the HR package, we open seats. We have 4 seats and 4 people. We assign 1 to each, the administrator and all 3 staff. For each, we pick the person from the drop-down and click Assign. All 4 seats are assigned. Every member of the team now has HR access. We sign in one last time so our own new seat takes effect, then open HR. There is the HR section in the sidebar. We open it. Inside HR you get the staff directory, leave management, loans and loan policy, attendance, payslip management, a pending request inbox for approvals, and public holidays, plus a self-service portal for your staff. We open the staff directory. Here are all our people, pulled straight from the staff records we already created, with their photo, ID, department, position and status. From this one HR hub, ZetaFisc now manages the entire employee lifecycle. In the next videos we will go through each part, starting with a staff member's full HR profile.